Right, we're going to do the level 1 equations again, and this is the more traditional way. This is the math way. And the way I do the math way is I list my elements right down the middle, and then I do an inventory. So this side I have 2 and 2, and this side I have 2 and 1. And so I look at my numbers and I see that H is good, O is not balanced. I go to this side because I only have 1 here, and I know I'm going to need to put a 2 here, so that will give me 4 H's and 2 O's. So that makes my oxygen atoms balanced. My hydrogen was balanced, it's not anymore. So I go to the side I only have 2 of, and I'm thinking of coefficients, I'm thinking of multiplying, so I know I need a 2 here with the H, which makes that a 4. Now H is even, O is even, and I only need 1 O2, so I write a 1 in there. That's number 1. The second one, same way, I start out with my elements, H and Cl. I do an inventory, 2 on the reactant side. I only have 1 of each on the product side. The product side is the one that doesn't have enough, so I'm going to put a 2 here. It changes my H to 2 and my Cl to 2. Everything's even, so we're going to put in 1s. And that's the second example. In the third example, I've got aluminum and fluorine. I'm going to do my inventory for my reactants. I've got 1 and 3. And my products, I have 1 and 2. Whenever you see 3 and a 2, you know you have to get, the only way to balance those is to get 6. So on my side with 2, I'm going to do a 3. And so if I think multiply, 3 times 2 is 6. I go over to my reactant side and I put a 2. And then 2 times 3 is 6. But I also have to distribute to my Al, so it's now a 2. Al was balanced, but it's not anymore. I always have to check that. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of this Al to make that one balanced. So 2 aluminum atoms on each side, 6 fluorine atoms on each side. That one's balanced. In the final example, I have 3 elements, and I've got 1 of each on the reactants and 2 NAs, 1 Mg, and 1 O. So I've only got 1 element to work with, or to fix, that's Na. The side I don't have enough of is my reactant side. Instead of just a 1, I'm going to make that a 2. Na balanced, Mg is balanced, O is balanced, so the rest of my coefficients are 1s.